Hello friends, I am Dhruv Sharma of class 10. Today is 12 January, National Youth Day, राष्ट्रीय युवा दिवस। स्वामी विवेकानंद जी ने कहा है कि हम ईश्वर पर तभी विश्वास रख सकते हैं जब हमें अपने आप पे विश्वास हो। तो आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट मेडिटेशन, द आर्ट ऑफ मेडिटेशन, द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ मेडिटेशन। Practice Japan meditation regularly. Do not miss even one day. The mind is like a spoiled child, always restless. Try repeatedly to study it by fixing it on the chosen idol, and at last you will become absorbed in him. If you continue your practice for 2 or 3 years, you will begin to feel an unspeakable joy and the mind will become steady. In the beginning, the practice of japa and meditation seems dry. It is like taking bitter medicine. You must forcibly pour the thought of God into your mind. Then, as you persist, you will be flooded with joy. What a terrible ordeal. A student undergoes to pass his examination to realize God is a far easier task. Call on him sincerely with a tranquil heart. हमें मेडिटेशन रोज़ करनी चाहिए, एक भी दिन मेडिटेशन छूटनी चाहिए। हमारा मन एकदम बच्चों की तरह होता है। हम मेडिटेशन रोज़ करेंगे, हम अपना जीवन खुद सुधारेंगे। हम मेडिटेशन करेंगे, हम तनाव मुक्त रहेंगे। There is no case for disappear. The effect of meditation is inevitable. You are bound to get results if you practice japa with devotion, or even without it, for devotion will follow. Continue your practice regularly for a little longer. You will find peace. One's health also is improved if one meditates. Meditation in the primary stage is like waging a war with the mind. With effort, the restless mind has to be brought under control and placed at the feet of the Lord. But in the beginning, take care that you do not overtask your brain. Go slowly, then gradually intensify your effort. Through regularly practice, the mind will become steady and meditation will be easier. You will be no longer feel and strain, even while sitting for long hours in contemplation. Just as after a deep sleep, a man feels refreshed in body and mind, so will you feel refreshed after meditation, and there will be follow an intense experience of happiness. अगर हम ध्यान लगाएंगे अचानक बैठ के, तो हमें एकदम भगवान पे आस्था रखनी है, एकदम कंसंट्रेशन करना है मेडिटेशन करने पे। 20 मिनट तो रोज़ करनी ही करनी है। हम एकदम एक कंसंट्रेशन एकदम माइंड से करेंगे तो हम मेडिटेशन एकदम अच्छे से कर पाएंगे रोज़। द बॉडी एंड द माइंड आर क्लोजली रिलेटेड. व्हेन द बॉडी इज डिस्टर्ब्ड, द माइंड आल्सो बिकम डिस्टर्ब्ड. Therefore, particularly care must be given to the diet in order to keep the body healthy. Meditation is not such an easy matter. When you have eaten too much, the mind becomes restless also unless you keep lust, anger, greed and such other passions under control. The mind will remain unsteady. How can you meditate with an unsteady mind? Unless you meditate, you cannot control the mind, and unless the mind is controlled, you cannot meditate. But if you think, first let me control the mind, and then I shall meditate, you will never succeed. You must steady your mind and meditate at the same time. As you sit down to meditate, think of the cravings of the mind as mere dreams. See them as unreal. They can never attach themselves to the mind. Feel that you are pure. In this way, purity will gradually fill your mind. आप मेडिटेशन एकदम प्योर मन से करें, अपनी आत्मा पे एकदम विश्वास रखें, मेडिटेशन करें, एकदम कंसंट्रेशन से करें। If you wish to realize God, practice the spiritual disciplines with patience and perseverance. In due course, you will be enlightened. अगर आप मेडिटेशन करेंगे एकदम अच्छे से, तो आप अपने जीवन को एकदम तनाव मुक्त कर लेंगे। और मेरी यही आशा है आप सबसे कि आप अपने जीवन को तनाव मुक्त करें, एकदम मेडिटेशन एकदम अच्छे से करें। थैंक यू।